There's something coming over me, and I think it might be that little four-letter word. Guess I never learned how to play it cool. I know people wanna say it's a honeymoon phase. I think it's love that I'm feeling, like I finally found my one in a million. I could jump through the ceiling, 'cause I've never been so sure it's the real thing. Must be love. Must be love.
Love, happy anniversary. Ang saya isipin na habang sinasabi ko to ngayon, hindi na lang kita fiancé, kundi ikaw na ang future husband ko in a few minutes. At ang forever kong tatawaging love. Finally, tayo naman na ang kinakasal. Ito na yung hinihintay natin.
Stars overhead turn my head and I caught you by eye.
I love, ready ka na ba? Tinupad ko na yung isa sa pangarap mo, which is ako. Today, tutuparin ko ulit yung isa mong pangarap. Alam ko, super dream mo to. Sana magustuhan mo, love. Happy anniversary. I love you.
I couldn't believe it. I couldn't see it for someone to see me like you do. And over and over anew, seen and known. It started with you.
Simula nung dumating ka sa buhay ko, hindi na ako nag-iisa sa puyat, sa stress, sa kalokohan, at lalo na sa food trip. Sa totoo lang, hindi ko akalain na darating sa buhay ko yung taong magiging best friend, teammate, at pinaka-favorite kong kausap. Kahit madalas walang sense ang pinag-uusapan. Sabi nila, sa dami ng tao sa mundo, swerte ang makahanap ng isang taong tatawagin mong sarili mong tahanan. At ikaw yon para sa akin.
I couldn't believe it. I couldn't see it for someone to see me like you do. And over and over anew, seen and known. It started with you.
Mahal kita kasi ikaw yung pahinga ko sa mundong magulo. Mahal kita kasi pinapakalma mo ako kapag nagpapanik na ako. Tapos ikaw, chill lang, nakangiti. Mahal kita kasi sa'yo ko naranasan na kaya ko pala maging vulnerable sa ibang tao. I promise to hear you when you don't feel heard. I promise to see you when you don't feel seen. I promise to remind you how beautiful you are on days you feel ugly. I promise to choose you every day for the rest of my life. I love you to infinity and beyond.
I still don't believe it. I couldn't see it for someone to see me like you do. And over and over anew, seen and known. It started with you.
I know I'll always feel at home because home is not a place for me. It's you. Pangako ko na mamahalin kita sa bawat season ng buhay natin. I vow to stand beside you through every high and low to support your dreams as if they were my own. To love you in your strongest and in your weakest. In your best days and in the days when you don't feel like yourself. Pinapangako ko rin na kahit may mga araw na hindi tayo okay, hindi mawawala ang love sa pagitan natin. Kasi hindi lang siya tawagan, paalala siya kung sino tayo at kung paano natin napili ang isa't isa sa dami ng pwedeng iba.
Something